Okay. All right. So we'll be I want to teach you a well structured process at which you would be able to use design planner. Number one is that you need to understand image prompting. I've explained in my former video about image prompting and I won't have to go much more into that, but I'll go into the application in this video. All right, so let's get any um application, any design. Let's just search for any design. All right. Okay, looking for a very simple design you understand. Okay. Okay, this is simple though, but let us look for something more. Okay, I'm looking for. So this is Pinterest. I'm very sure you know the application here. Okay. All right. So let's use this particular design. Someone will surely know that this design is actually done on Pixel Lab, a designing software. Probably this looks more of Photoshop. All right. So we'll be using this with AI. Let's get started. So the first thing is that we'll download this image. So after it's downloaded, you go to um you go to ChatGPT to generate your prompt. Now the first thing is that people majorly use ChatGPT to generate images as well, but I don't recommend it because of each of those software have its usage. So you upload your image. Let me try to on my um, um it's not there. Okay. All right. So not wasting our time, you put in this particular prompt. Um, Now let me read it for you. Give me a well structured prompt to generate this flyer. Do not leave any details aside. Please make it well detailed up to the layout one, the style of the design, the typography of the design, the colors used in the design, and the effect used in case, the composition, the aspect ratio, and the style keyword. Give me up to the list information I want to create this flyer exactly. All right, so ChatGPT will give you prompt that will go according to this particular image. Let's go. So it is uploaded, and now let's see. Okay, now this is a full flyer prompt. Now this is what you do. This prompt now would give me a details that I want, like the best details ever, the best well detailed ever, that even me can easily edit and work on. All right. Okay. So what you have to do is that you copy this, copy it. Okay, this is the final prompt, but you don't use this final prompt, rather. Don't use the final prompt, and don't use the final prompt. Copy it from here. Copy it from, yes. Okay, good. Okay. All right. Um, God, I'm trying to copy the prompt in new proving stubborn. Or let me just copy it from here. Now, after copying this, go to your keep notes. And okay, this was one I did. Now, go to your keep note. The first thing first is that you upload your image. Upload the image of the, okay, upload the image of the design. Upload the image of the design. Yeah, so it will help you to edit it. Now let's go. This final prompt of a thing, we don't need it because it's not going to give us the number, the kind of design we want. Okay, so now this is the well detailed prompt that you work with, and this is what they call prompt engineering. This place we are going to restructure, re-engineer this prompt to give us what we want. Now we have full flyer generation prompt, ultra modern, blah 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 blah. Okay, delete this, just make it, edit it. All right, so you have to edit this prompt to give you what you want. All right, we have general padding, alignment. Okay, okay. Now that's the visual flow. We have now the overlay. We have it. If you don't want to touch anything there are some basic things that you just touch, which is just touch that back to school, the wordings and everything. You can even change the color and everything. We'll try to check something now. All right, so we have pattern but visible cuttings. Okay, okay, okay. Now let's check right side model. We have a young dark skinned female student. All right, so expression, surprised, lightning. Okay, why can't we say young dark male student? And we will not put anything of curly, the year. A male cannot have ear, so we just want to change the the character to a male student. Okay, so we'll go to the lightning. It's good. We have soft rim red from the right. Now you can also try to re-edit the colors by saying black, yellow, the way you want it. Okay, so this is the styling. We have white top, depth. Okay, blurry, sharp, sharp, add slight. Let me delete this. Now let's see what is giving us at the promo badge. Okay, 30% off. Let's change it to 90% off. Centered, back to school. Let us check back to school sales, right? Let me see how it is written. Now you can see this particular word is written in three lines. Back to school sales. All right, so when you are making your edit, all right, you see when you are making your edit, there is a way it also it also make it to know that it's in three lines the way it is. Okay, so now this is what we do. The three lines is in four major word. Back is one, two is one, school is sales. Now let's try to check if we can find a four major word. Now you want to remove these details and bring in another one. So it's not that you just remove a 10 word details and replace it with two. It will not look nice, it will look void, right? It will look empty. All right, let's say back to school. Let's say AI flyer design, that's for back. Let's say AI um flyer design, AI flyer design pack. Okay, so we have deep red, tight but not readable, tight. Okay, so you can edit it the way you want. You can see it give me the kind of font I need because of my prompt. So we have extra bold, deep red, large, dominant. Okay, I think that one is fine. We have subtext, gear up for success um for with 30% of essentials, 30% of AI class. I'm just trying to make a little edit so that you see that it's different. All right, say family. Okay, now the font of that same family means the same family of the Montserrat or Poppins font. We have three font selection here. You can choose the one that you want to use. All right, so we have subject under headline, gear for success. Awesome. We have gear for success with 30% of AI class. Okay, we have content box. We have text inside. You can just leave it. I don't want to make too much edit, but all of these edit are things that you work on, like the stationaries. Now the text inside, go to the main image, you will see the text inside, you see stationaries, you see background accessories, so you edit it with what you want. You getting me? All right, you edit it with what you want. And CTA, the bottom style. All right, you have just edit it. Let me just change the numbers to AI AFP AFP. Okay. All right, I'm trying to be fast about this. All right, so um okay, we have the pencil, we have the color palette. Now this color palette, you don't, if you are not that professional, you don't touch it. You understand? These are color codes. You understand? And if you want to use a different color palette for this particular design, you understand? Probably you have let me see, 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. We can say give me, we can go to ChatGPT here actually, and let's say give me give me a five um a different color palettes to run this class, to run this flyer. All right, so it's going to give you a different color palette. Okay, you don't need another nice palette, you need one that reposition the flyer instantly. All right, so you can use something like this. Best for schools. Now one of the things you need to learn is that whenever you are designing or anything, your design, you should know the purpose of your design. Is your design for schools? Is it for colleges? You can see it's telling us colors that are best for schools. Number one is blue. Blue is best for schools. You understand? So we have blue, green, that signifies growth. You understand? So purple is not really that good. You understand? So let's not touch the stuff. All right. So we have okay, we have the lightning effect also. We have the style keyword. Just delete that. And I think all prompts stop at the style keyword. Okay, good. Yes. Okay. So um okay, good. Now we'll just copy this, select all, copy, and go to Gemini to get your image done. Okay, this was one thing I did, and let's open a new chat. All right, so we'll place it, and good. Let's wait for the blessed result. So I expect the image to change. The color remains the same, but some specific stuff will be changed. All right, so we are getting something. Just hope it is very similar. Sharp. Somebody say sharp. Somebody say sharp. Now look at this particular stuff here. We have everything well arranged. You can see AI flyer design pack, GL, a guy is here. Alright, so I can even replace this guy with my own image. You understand? You just say replace the guy with my uploaded image. Alright, so let's get my image. Ancient ones ever thorough. Alright, so alright, sorry. Um okay, let me use this. Okay, so we're getting our image uploaded. Okay, and boom. We'll get to see that it's going to change it more better, and it's going to be more faster. Okay, still waiting for it. Oh no. Oh no, it's not getting that prompt. So you can give it again. Oh, you can give it the prompt again. It will replace it. But my main focus is that it give us what we want, something very, very similar to what we want. Alright, so this was the original image, and this is something similar. Now you can work on some other things like this particular badge here is very deep red. You can just come here and say give the badge a deep red color, and okay, this particular word here is like more like a gradient color. You can see this place is black, this downward place is black, the downward place of the sails is black, and the schools is a little bit lighter. So you can try to format it and edit it in the way you want it. You understand? So all you see, all depends on the kind of prompt you use. Prompting is the number one key when it comes to AI. Anything that determines to AI, what answers to AI is prompt. Not only you having it, not only you having the skill. You can have the skill, you can have the pro version or anything, and if you are unable to prompt, you have nothing. So it is your prompt that tells you your level of knowledge in AI. You understand? So we would save this image. All right, and I would end this video. So that's explain how to generate flyers professionally from anything, be it anything that you search for anything, you get it done on your smartphone. Thank you.